Okay, so parents and third graders, we have been reading, we finished the Magic Tree House Dinosaurs Before Dark, and third grade is a lot harder than second grade in many ways, but one of the biggest ways it's harder is there are huge expectations for them when we answer writing prompts. But your kids did so great today, I want to show you, and you can look for this in their backpack. What a character comprehension check. Jack and Annie are brother and sister. They're alike in many ways, but they are also quite different. Think of at least 2 ways in which they are different and write about it. Support your answer by citing evidence from the text. That's a lot for a third grader. But we broke it down, we restated the question, and that they're always going to be expected to restate the question. Jack and Annie are different, is what we started with. And then I showed them to make sure they have at least 2 answers. They can write more if they want, but they at least need 2. And this whole citing evidence thing means they have to go back in the book and find an example. So a lot of kids wrote that Annie is more adventurous than Jack, which she is. Jack's a rule follower, and Annie just barrels ahead into adventure. So a lot of kids wrote one way they are different is that Annie is adventurous and Jack isn't. And then they wrote an example of this is on page 16, for example, when Annie is petting the dinosaur and Jack's like, don't touch it. But they did a great job, so look for this in their backpack. This is what's expected when they have a writing prompt in third grade. Thanks. Stop, Jackson, push stop.